Welcome back. Okay, so now that we have this here, let's go ahead and let's pick a image here. Now I've gone to public domain pictures.net where all the pictures are public domain, and I'm just going to type in coffee. And one thing that I'm going to do in this tutorial series is use a lot of coffee images, just because the coffee images, there's a lot of them first of all, and second of all. Second of all, they actually look pretty good. And building websites for coffee shops is always fun because there's a lot of them. So we need to go and we need to take a look at uh, this one here. And I'm just going to type in, because I have one that I'm looking for specifically. And there's one that has actually a bunch of beans. It's just a bunch of beans here. And choosing images is always can always be a little bit difficult. Um, and the one I'm looking for specifically is a black and white one here. And I have found it before. And here it is. This is the one that I'm looking for. So you can see here that this is public domain. And what we're going to do is we're just going to simply copy this here. And we're, when we're doing these specific when we're doing these specific tutorials, I always use the image from the actual web. When you build websites, you want to reference the actual image which is in the folder. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this in here, and now we can see that we have this in here. Okay, and so we're going to have to, and I'm just going to zoom out a bit. Okay, so let's see, that is 100%. So we're going to format this, don't worry here, but we're going to have this kind of grayish, kind of monochrome look to this, and it's going to be themed quite appropriately. Okay, this concludes the tutorial.